Save your money because AI is going to take your job soon, and you'll be broke. I asked ChatGPT which jobs are going to be replaced by AI soon, and it provided these answers: 10. Accountants. AI-driven financial software is automating bookkeeping and tax filing. 9. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI can quickly analyze legal documents and provide legal insights. 8. Journalists. AI-generated news articles and reports are becoming more common. 7. Delivery drivers. Autonomous vehicles and drones may soon replace human delivery drivers. 6. Retail workers. AI-powered inventory management and self-service kiosks reduce the need for human staff. 5. Factory workers. Robotics and AI-driven automation are taking over manufacturing jobs. 4th, customer service representatives. AI chatbots are handling most online customer inquiries. 3. Cashiers. Self-checkout machines and AI-driven payment systems are eliminating the need for cashiers. 2. Telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots and automated systems are already replacing call center agents. 1. Data entry clerks. AI can process and organize data much faster than humans.